In a nation smaller than Manhattan, the consequences for moving drugs are life itself. Why does Singapore execute traffickers so strictly? Let's break down the legal logic behind this controversial policy. First, we must understand that under Singapore's Misuse of Drugs Act, trafficking is a capital offense regardless of the amount. While there are 33 offenses warranting the death penalty, drugs and murder are among the most frequently applied in this context. The state justifies this harshness by claiming it is the only way to deter international cartels. They argue that a life sentence simply isn't enough to stop high-level syndicates from sending mules into the country. However, critics point out that this policy often targets low-level couriers rather than the bosses. For instance, Nagenthran Ilk Dharmalingam was convicted of trafficking just 42.72 grams of heroin before his execution in 2022. Recent debates highlight a shift in perspective too. In April 2026, legal challenges regarding cases like Jacob Bamadaj's suggested that even limited involvement in transporting drugs could result in the even limited involvement in transporting drugs Kerkroar. Ultimate penalty, raising questions about proportionality. Opponents argued the law fails to stop organized crime and instead creates humanitarian crises. They believe resources should focus on expanding access to protection from drug-related harm rather than execution. Ultimately, Singapore stands as a unique global experiment in zero tolerance. It remains the only country where drug trafficking consistently results in death, creating a stark contrast to nations that favor rehabilitation or long-term incarceration. This policy divides the world on human rights versus national security. Do you think execution is necessary to stop drug cartels? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.